Dreisziger here with a teaching tip on the Contrology Mat. Some clients struggle just to sit up tall even before they start spine stretch forward. They might have tight hamstrings, they might have tight hips, maybe a tight low back isn't helping, and they're kind of stuck even before they start the exercise. Kicking the moon boxes away might be enough, but if it's not, I like to put the wood against the wood and use the 2 moon boxes as a little booster seat to get them sitting up taller. That way when they start the exercise, they can really work into their powerhouse and find the lift and the stretch instead of just struggling against their tight hips. Thank you for watching.